Hey guys, we're at the South Coast Botanical Garden
in Torrance, California, or close to it.
Yep.
What do you think so far? Have you learned anything interesting?
So this used to be a mine, then became a landfill in the 50s.
Okay.
And today it's a botanical garden.
What are some interesting things that you've seen? I've noticed
We were
noticing.
To the bees.
And what else?
And also home to the butterflies here.
Yeah. Would you recommend it?
Yes. Here's also home to many bumblebees.
What did they look like, the bumblebees?
Yeah, it's basically like a honeybee, but yellow and 2 times bigger.
Do you have anything in closing?
Definitely come here for especially the locals and everyone who visits here. This would be a great stop.
Yeah.
Bye.